merged, you can quickly then default it to the cash basis. So I think that that's handy to have,
Absolutely.
especially when you're watching cash flow. All right, so we are doing really well on time, and we do have some questions. We're going to get to those in just a little while. But we're going to look at this merge vendor, which is interesting. So what is the inside scoop, Kyle, on merging vendors in the new QuickBooks 2018 Enterprise Edition?
So the merge vendor feature is brand new. It's something that I can see definitely being implemented in other variations, but we have this one first, so I'm really excited for it. The merge vendor is going to allow us to choose up to 4 different vendors, select a master vendor, and then move the transactional data from the 3 that we didn't want under the one that we did select as the master. Now it is up to 4, we can't do 5, but it can be as little as 2 if we just wanted to merge one vendor into another one. So if we bring up QuickBooks, we can go to Accountant, we can go to Client Data Review, and then we can access the new Merge Vendors feature. And here we can see we have our 4 vendors listed out, so we'll go ahead and select all 4. We'll hit Next. And then as we see, we have all 4 of our vendors laid out in front of us. Now what we can do is this is where we would select our master vendor, who's going to stick around essentially after the merge. So if we select the big vendor, we can see that as soon as we select these, that all of these fields become editable. So what we can do is from this screen, we can change the company name, the billed from, main phone number, pretty much all of the essential contact information, even up to and including the vendor type. And then the next step would be, of course, to merge. So we have 2 options. We can merge or we can back up and merge. Now, a merge is a finalized thing. So once we merge, it can't be undone. We can't go back. We can't undo what we did.
No.
So what we want to do is we always want to make sure that we hit the blue back up and merge button. That way if we merge and our financials don't look right, something happened with the merge, the accounting numbers don't look good, we have that live backup that we just did that we can go back and restore.
So for all those accountants out there that are constantly doing a lot of cleanup work, I would on occasion grab that backup button. It's going to walk through the same backup process, I'm assuming, Kyle, as you would if you were to back up the whole file.
Exactly the same.
Okay, so to do one vendor, if it's a big vendor, you might want to consider doing that backup. That's
exactly.
great. Yeah.
Perfect.
All right. Anything else on that?
That does it for the merge vendor.
Is that available for customers?
It's available on the accountants only version. Good call. So it is not available on the standard versions of Pro, Premier, or Enterprise. It is only available for QuickBooks Accountant and QuickBooks Enterprise Accountant.